Hey y'all, it's a beautiful fall day in the Ozarks and we're gonna make something easy that you can take to a party as an appetizer. You can use it as a dressing for your salad or you can put it on top of some chicken or something. Start off with some olive oil and I'm gonna do about a cup. If you have a big crowd to feed, you can just double this recipe. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees because I'm gonna pop these on a cooking sheet. This is a little baguette that I got over in the deli department at Price Chopper. If you're lucky enough to live here in Branson, you can take your baguette over to Christy in the deli department and she will slice it up nice and evenly. Look at that. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven and get those toasted too. My oven's not ready yet. Now I'm gonna chop up a little bit of oregano and a little bit of fresh parsley. We probably don't need all of this. I'll probably just use about half of this. I've got some fresh parsley. I like the little curly parsley, not the flat kind. Now I'm gonna use a package of sun-dried tomatoes. You can also buy sun-dried tomatoes in the jar like this and they already have oil in them. But I thought since we are using the olive oil in here already, it's already gonna be oily. So I'm just gonna take these. These are kind of long, so I'm gonna chop them up a little finer. Those smell so good. We'll do about half a package. You have fresh garlic and you have time to roast some, that would be great too. I do not, so I'm just gonna use the Old Faithful garlic in a jarlic, and it's the roasted garlic. So I'm gonna put a little pinch of that, probably about a teaspoon. Smoked paprika. Looks like a good teaspoon and a half. Little salt and pepper. Now I'm gonna zest a lemon. I've already washed my lemon off. That looks pretty good. That smells good. I'm gonna put a little bit of Tony's in there just because I love it. And now I'm gonna put some feta cheese. A whole package of feta cheese. Let's see how much is in here. 6 ounces. 6 ounces. That smells so good. Look how beautiful that is. Holy moly. Now we're gonna add some olives. These are already sliced up. Where's my hunk of burning love when I need him? Scarlett told me this little trick. Put a butter knife. Oh, yeah, that worked perfectly. Okay, I'm gonna do about half of this jar because this is, you know what would be good? Some blue cheese stuffed olives, chopped up. Oh yeah, I think I have some. This is 10 ounces, so about 5 ounces of olives. I love tapenade. And if you want to chop those up a little more, you can. I love tapenade. You know, it's like crushed up olives, all different kinds. This kind of reminds me a little bit of that. The bread didn't take long at all, like 5 minutes. They're already a little bit crispy. 5 minutes at 400, not long at all. And then I did find these as well, these little bruschetta garlic and herb little round bread. What is this? Oven baked savory snack. So they already have the garlic and herb on them, and these are so cute. So if you don't have time to bake the bread or whatever, then yeah, a little bite. That's good. Oh my gosh. This might not make it upstairs. This is so good. Look how cute that is. This is so good, y'all. You gotta make it. Go make this. It is so good. Just have to think of a name for it. Mediterranean Bliss. Mediterranean Bliss Dip. Feta be good. Check out our raffle that we are hosting here on our page. We would love your support. Everybody remember to expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today. Have a fantastic day.